Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful camera product layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the camera product layout pack for Divi. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it, really clean and modern, and there are a lot of images included which you are free to use without any restrictions, but you can also easily replace them with your own images. So if you're looking for a layout pack that focuses on products and product images, you should check this out, and you can do that by going to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the camera product layout pack. And if you click on it, you will be able to see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. Again, all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button. Now this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover each and every layout for yourself without actually installing it on your website first. So say for instance, you really enjoyed the landing page and you want to get started with it, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now, once you create a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. We're going to browse through our pre-made layouts by clicking on the purple item. And over here, we have all of our different layout packs again. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the camera product layout pack. Select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. Now, as you can notice, this takes a little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything to make your page ready to go live. So of course you can modify written copy that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make changes to your page design. So say for instance, you want to create a sticky effect over here. So we have this row, and if we scroll, it's just static. But if you want to create a sticky effect where this row overlaps the image as you scroll down, you can do that using Divi's built-in options. So I'm going to open the row settings, go to the advanced tab, go to the scroll effects. And over here, I'm going to select stick to top, and the bottom sticky limit is going to be sections. So when the section stops, the sticky effect will stop. Now we have this outcome over here, but we do want to add a bit of a white background to this row so the text is still legible when we scroll. And we can do that easily by opening the row settings again, going to the background settings over here in a sticky state. So I'm going to enable the sticky option, go to the sticky state, and I'm going to add a white background color. If I scroll, this is already applied. And I'm also going to add some left and right padding to my row so this doesn't cut off instantly. So I'm going to go to the spacing settings. And again, I'm going to enable the sticky option. And over here, I'm going to add 5% to the left and to the right side. This could be a little less, so let's do 3%. And just like that, we have some space, and we've modified the layout to match our own needs, and we have this transition going on. And you can do that for any kind of element inside your page and build any kind of website using the layout pack of your choice. So go ahead and play around with this beautiful layout pack in Divi and create stunning web design. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.